Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing thin crust pizza. So first we'll start with the ingredients to make a dough. So here we are taking 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of sugar each, and 1 spoon of dry yeast, which is available in normal grocery store. I've taken half cup of warm water or lukewarm water and 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Now to the water we'll be adding sugar and salt. We'll stir that well so that sugar and salt is dissolved. So now it's dissolved. We'll add dry yeast to it and set it aside or let it rest for about 15 minutes so that the yeast is activated. So here we go, we'll keep it aside. So yeast is activated. Now to it we'll start adding all-purpose flour and mix that well. You can also start kneading it, but I prefer mixing it well first and then kneading it. So I'm just mixing this. So I mix this well. I'll use my hand to start kneading it. We are not adding any additional or extra water here. Just knead that well. So here the dough is ready. I've added 1 spoon of oil and I will knead it about for 1 to 2 minutes. And then we'll take the dough, keep it aside, and I will start greasing the bowl with the help of oil thoroughly. So I've greased the bowl. Now I'll place the dough onto it. So I've placed the dough. We'll also grease the dough with some oil and we'll cover this and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. You can also keep it for about minimum 45 minutes. Now the dough is doubled. We'll just knead it once or twice and then we'll start to preheat the kadhai or a pan. I've added salt and placed a stand in it and we'll let it preheat for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Now I've divided the dough into 4 equal halves. So with this you can make 4 regular pizza with this dough. Now I'll start making the base. I'm using my hand to make the base. You can also use a rolling pin. So make sure you dust some flour so that the dough does not stick to the surface. So here I'm just tapping that so that we get the base, a thick base. So here the base is ready. So this is the thickness that we are looking for. Next we'll start greasing the plate. So this is a plate that I will be using to place the pizza base onto it. You can also use any steel plate as well. Now I'll start dabbing the corners of the pizza dough so that we give it a shape. So now I'll start pricking it or pricking the base with the help of the dough to remove any extra air bubbles. I've taken 2 spoons of tomato ketchup here. I'll start spreading this evenly all over. Next I will take 1 spoon each chili sauce and Szechuan sauce. If you do not have that, skip this. Add some paprika or chili flakes or just sprinkle some chili powder. I'm adding 1.5 spoon of mayonnaise here as we are not using cheese. So I'll just spread that evenly all over. If you want, you can add about 2 spoons as well according to your taste, but I have taken 1.5 spoon here. 1.5 tablespoon. So it's ready now. I'll just top this with the vegetables. I've taken capsicum, onion and corn here. You can top it with the vegetables of your choice. We'll just top this well, as much as vegetables we want. I had 1 cube of processed cheese, so I just grated some cheese onto it. You can skip this step if you do not have cheese. It will still taste yummy. Now we'll keep this plate onto the preheated kadhai. I've kept the plate in the preheated kadhai now and we'll cover it and cook this bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes because this is thin crust. So it took 20 to 25 minutes for baking. If the crust or the base is thick, then the timing might differ. So the pizza is ready now. Do try it at home and don't forget to tag me if you're trying it, and let me know in the comment section how it came out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned until my next video. Thank you so much.